Good morning, students. Today we will study about part number 2 of question first, exercise 4.3. So first of all, you have to check it that the quadratic equation has roots or not. So for this, I have told you that first of all we will find the discriminant. How? So discriminant d, as you know that it is equal to b square minus 4ac. So put the value of, you can compare this from equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is 2, b is minus 1 and c is 4. Put the value, b is minus 1 square minus 4ac. 4 into a is 2 and c is 4. You will get 1 minus 4 to the 8 to the 16 minus 15. So I have told you that if here d is equal to minus 15 means d less than 0, and I have told you when d is less than 0 it has no roots. Clear? So this equation has no solution. Is it clear? Once again, first of all we will compare the given equation with standard equation of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and find out the discriminant. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Put the value of a, b and c, we get minus 15. So as I have told you in the previous video when we were discussed about discriminant, when d is less than 0, no solution will find. It means this equation has no roots. Is it clear? And now the third part is 4x square plus 4 under root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now look out its solution. First of all, we will comparing above equation with standard equation of quadratic equation, that is ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 under root 3 and c is equal to 4. Clear? And now discriminant. Your discriminant d is equal to, we know that it is b square minus 4ac. Put your value, b is 4 under root 2, sorry 3, 4 under root 3 whole square minus 4 into a will 4 and c will also 4. Sorry, we have written this. It is 3 I have told you this. It means this equation has roots. Now we will find out the roots. Roots will, for finding this, we have to use completing square method. Completing square method. So using completing square method, I have told you in the previous video that first of all we will divide the coefficient of x square through the whole terms. Here coefficient of x square is 4. It means we will divide all the equation by the letter number 4. 4x square upon 4 plus 4 under root 3 x upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 0 upon 4. You can write it dividing by 4 to the sides. So this 4 and this 4 both will cancel out. Here this 4 and this 4 will cancel out. So you will get x square plus under root 3x plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 0. Because 0 upon 4 will 0. And now we will divide it. I have told you v upon 2a whole square. X square plus under root 3x plus b upon 2a whole square. This number will added and this number will subtracted. So here value of b is under root 3 upon 2 into a is 1 whole square. So this value will 3 upon 4. Clear? It means either you can add 3 upon 4, subtract 3 upon 4. Either you can find out this directly. So because we have to complete square method, that's why I have done this. If you want, you can also don't write this. You can also find out. But is equal to 0. So this will x plus x and sign of the middle term and plus under root of this term. Under root of this term will under root 3 upon 2 whole square. And 4 value will cancel out. It means this will value equal to 0. You can also write this from here. It is not compulsory to write this term here in this particular portion. You can write out the square term from here. It means this value is equal to 0. And now I have told you that you can write also x plus under root 3 upon 2 is equal to 0. This means x will equal to minus under root 3 upon 2. I have told you that this particular equation has equal roots. It means both roots are equal, and if we write out, then the roots will same. Under root minus under root 3 upon 2 minus under root 3 upon 2. Is it clear? So I think you can easily understand this question. Once again, for completing square method, first of all, we will divide all the equation with the coefficient of x square. Here, coefficient of x square is 4. That's why we will divide all the equation by upon 4, 3 upon 4 is equal to 0 upon 4. And now we solve it, we get x square root 3x, 3 upon 4 is equal to 0 rx square plus under root 3x plus b upon 2a whole square is added and subtracted. We are following the completing square method. You can directly solve it, but here we are following the completing square method. So this value, and now how we make the square? Under root of first term x, sine of the middle term plus and the square root of third term root 3 upon 2 whole square. Both will cancel out, and from here we can find out the value of zeros. Is it clear?